How to monetize Twitter account? Yes, you can. Twitter, now called X, offers multiple ways to monetize your account. Let's break them down step by step. So, step 1, ads revenue sharing. If you have X Premium, 500 plus followers, and 5 million impressions in 3 months, ads in your replies generate income. Verified impressions matters most. So, Step 2, tips and subscriptions. Fans can send you money directly or pay monthly for exclusive content. Subscriptions range from 2.99 to 9.99. Step 3, host ticketed spaces. Sell tickets for live audio events, charging anywhere from $1 to $999 per listener. Step 4, brand sponsorships and affiliate links. Partner with brands to promote products in meme style or share affiliate links for commissions. Risks include copyright violations, low premium engagement, and fake sponsorships scams. Monetization also requires consistent posting and engagement. Monetizing on X is possible through ads, tips, subscriptions, and brand deals.